Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create accounts on Canva mobile. So first thing, just open up your Canva app after you've downloaded it on your phone, of course, through Google Play Store. Now I want to create an account, so you can just sign up or sign in, accept cookies. So you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue that way. I want to continue with Google. So choose the Google account you want to use. And as easy as that, we are in. Now that's because I have Google account. If you do not have Google account, you have to sign in through the email. So now you ask us what we would like to use Canva for. We can say personal. That for maybe later. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You're in. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.